put the kids to sleep. Take the phone off the hook and ignore that email that just came in. Because as you watch this short 15-minute wealth report that I must tell you won't be online for long, I'll open your eyes to a hidden, almost secret market that can multiply your money 425%, 566%, even 1,150%. And it's important you know something right up front. I'm not about to tell you about a big-ticket trading course. I'm not going to ask you for a monthly subscription to an overhyped investment newsletter. And I'd never insult your time with some magic piece of trading software that'll make you a gazillionaire overnight. No, what I'm sharing with you today is a world away from all the usual nonsense. And most important of all, it's something ordinary investors, people just like you, are using to lock down triple-digit returns on their money. Returns like 136%, 362%, and 425%. Huge gains that almost force you to rub your eyes to believe they're actually real. The best part? If you started off with very limited capital, even as little as $200 in seed money, you can do this. If stock market jargon makes your head hurt, no problem. You can do this. Heck, even if you've never even traded a baseball card before, I'm 100% sure you can do this. Because as I'll prove, although the last decade has been a multi-trillion-dollar bloodbath for ordinary investors, others have escaped without a scratch. With my help, they've ridden a hidden, almost secret market to the fastest gains anywhere in the financial universe. And now it's your turn to join them. In fact, very soon I'm going to show you a real-life example of how with zero trading experience and almost no risk, $1,000, true chump change in investing terms, can, in 5 simple steps, turn into a golden parachute worth an amazing, $5.7 million, or $5,736,354 to be more exact. And I'll promise you now, it won't sound so unbelievable in a moment, because you'll soon see how every penny of potential profit can be traced back to Wall Street's best-kept secret. Penny stocks. Bought and sold for less than $5 a share, these fast-gaining stocks trade on well-known exchanges like the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange. But let's not dance around the bad press these stocks receive. You've probably heard that penny stocks can be richly lucrative investments, but that they're also notoriously risky. Well, I can confirm something for you right now. The vast majority of penny stocks are risky. In fact, I'll happily go further than that. After grinding the numbers on thousands of penny stocks over the years, I'll shout it from the rooftops. About 97.32% of penny stocks are trash. They're worse than just bad investments. They're radioactive to your prospects of growing old without money worries. But here's why you should scoot to the edge of your chair and pay attention to the rest of this short video. Not all penny stocks are duds. Far from it. About 2.68% are the titans of tomorrow. Small, innovative companies who are about to careen up the stock market growth chart. Hi, this is Nathan Gold, the penny stock egghead. And as my loyal subscriber family knows so well, penny stocks that survive the proprietary gauntlet of analytical obstacles I throw in their path can quickly accelerate in value 362%. And when I say quickly, I mean it. You can sometimes watch them spike in price in as little as 14 days. Yes, only 2 weeks. You might not get that kind of return from a household name blue chip stock if you held it for 2 decades. And I know that unless you're someone like me who follows the markets almost 24/7, this next stat is going to blow your mind. You might know about the decade-long implosion of the S&P 500, the index that tracks the performance of expensive blue-chip stocks like Coca-Cola Company and eBay. It's advertised by Wall Street as the ordinary investor's best friend, but instead, it's become their retirement killer. Right in front of their eyes, it's pulverized a mind-boggling $9.6 trillion of investor wealth into worthless rubble. Yes, that's trillion with a T. And if that's not bad enough, let me really put this lost decade into disturbing perspective. On average, if you invested in this S&P debacle, you watched each of your hard-earned dollars shrink, all the way down to 79 cents. That's more than just a dream-crushing negative return on your money. That's grand larceny.